Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you this camera setup. This is the Interlink 360 using the onboard microphone as well as just the raw, you know, footage. I have literally no filters on this at all. This is just in really bad lighting conditions. As you can see, this like harsh line of light going past me, and it's kind of dark in here. Anyway, so that's one thing. The other thing is, I just want to talk about the AirPods Max update that came. I wouldn't even call this an update. This is going to be a brief rant on Apple because obviously I like talking about this stuff, and I think it sparks a conversation in the comments section traditionally. And I love reading all these comments, and it sparks a whole debate. I love being the fire starter or the spark in this instance. So let's talk about the AirPods Max really quickly. These are headphones that cost over $500. I believe it's $550 to be exact. In fact, check me if I'm wrong on that. I might be. So let's see. Let's the old ones, which I believe released in 2020. It's been 4 years, right? It's 2024. It's been 4 years since these headphones came out. People have been asking for a couple things. USB-C, a better case, and an on-off button, because apparently you don't need an on-off button with headphones. Does that make any sense? To me, no. I mean, I think almost every device, consumer tech device on the planet has an on-off button to preserve battery life. And I don't know what they were going for here. Maybe they were thinking, and they do go to sleep, which preserves battery life, but you have to look at it as it's continuously draining battery throughout the day. It will, even if it's in sleep mode, it's still going to be draining the battery, consuming power. So maybe they were just thinking it's too much of a hassle to turn the thing on and off. You should just reach and grab your headphones, put them on, click play, and it should just work. That's probably what they were going for, but I don't think it's too much of an inconvenience to turn something off. You turn off your laptop, you turn off your phone, you turn off your computer, you turn off camera, watch, I don't know, basically everything now. So maybe this is actually a hint that, no, I'm not even going to go down that rabbit hole. But anyway, that's a stupid feature. The other bad feature I don't like is they didn't update the sound quality or anything with these. I'm pretty sure the tech inside is the exact same. Don't get me wrong, I wholeheartedly agree. It sounds amazing. I've tested them when I went to the Apple store a couple times. They sounded great, don't get me wrong. But the fact that there was no improvements, that to me is kind of sketchy. I mean, normally even Apple, if it's a minor improvement, they'll spin it in a way that'll convince you to go buy it and, list features that are not really important, but, or talk about updates that aren't really updates just to get you to go buy it. Action button, or not action button, the camera control button, which literally is pointless. That's an example. So no updates to the audio, no updates to the hardware. It's still these heavy headphones with an uncomfortable band that I've seen, made of metal, so super heavy on your head. I see people working out at the gym in these headphones. I don't know how they do this. They're extremely heavy, probably very uncomfortable. That's why most headphones, as you can see right here, are made of plastic, because it's very lightweight. And I don't think many people care about the build quality on their headphones. So there's no updates there. The only thing they updated with these headphones is USB-C and colors. That's literally it. I'll give them credit for USB-C. Finally transitioning over to a full USB-C ecosystem. Lightning is just outdated technology, slower transfer speeds, slower charging speeds. USB-C is a universal plug now, which I really appreciate. Sharing cables between all your devices is a thing of the past. Thing of the future. How one cable can work with all your devices, and you can share your cables with friends, even if they have an Android phone and need to charge. That's a step in the right direction. But the fact that you didn't change anything about the headphones and still are charging the exact same price Now, you could argue that 4 years later, and with inflation being so high, these headphones are actually less expensive as wages have increased. But the past 4 years, you could say, yeah, I mean, on the real value of these headphones is probably less than 550. I'm not going to go that route. Anyway, $550 for a pair of headphones that they didn't change anything. There was no innovation. The only thing you changed was the colors, which I think most people could care less about. And two, the charging port. And they still come in one of the worst cases of all time that looks like, I'm not even going to say it, looks like something specifically that's, yeah, I'm not going to go there. Yeah, extremely heavy, didn't decrease the weight or anything like that. It's cool that you can swap out the ear cups in them. I don't know. Let me think. Anything else I want to talk about with these headphones? I just want to know. MKBHD voiced his opinion on this too. What was this team doing for the last 4 years? It's pretty sad that the only thing they updated was those two things, and both are minor changes. So let's spark the conversation. Love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm sure we'll get some comments backing Apple on this. I don't know how you would, but I'd love to hear the arguments in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.